Hi guys, it's Cliff with MoneyGigs, and I wanted to go over the new Setlist functionality that I recently added to the application. It enables you to create set lists and then organize them. Um, so I'm in the My Gigs screen here. You can see I have 5 gigs in December, and you can see I've also added those up and given you an average hourly rate, and that hourly rate's not based on just the gig time, it's also based on drive time, etc., rehearsal, all those things. And so let's go over that. Now I use iRealB. Let me look at that for just a second. And iRealB is great. You can go get playlists online, songs, and of course you come in, you get the chord chart. And I do want to integrate with that system eventually, but I've added a couple features to this. So I've clicked on that I didn't say what I was doing. On the right hand side here, you see that purple icon next to Benson's on that gig. And if I click that, I can come in here, I can add notes about the gig, setup, whatever, and do a external URL, maybe to the event link. There's lots I can do there. But if I go into manage set list, I've added some songs here. To add a song, you can just click add song, start typing. It will bring up previous songs that you've previously added to your songbook. You can do that there. Put in the key, the composer, and the tempo, and the time it takes to play the song. And that's all up to you at this point. But when I come back out here, you can see I've got some yellow warnings, and it's basically saying I've got some songs that are back-to-back the same tempo. And then down here, I've also got back-to-back the same key. And you can actually do both of those things in one set. And so it's just some nice warnings. It's not saying you have to make the change, but in order to reorder the set, I'm going to hold down Christmas Time is Here with my finger, and that makes it so I can drag it. And when I do that, the problem's resolved. Same thing down here. I've got a B-flat tune, so there's the problem resolved. But I want to know what you think. What else needs to go into my set list functionality? What's important to you in a set list? Keep in mind, I am going to try to integrate with iRealB. It would be nice to do that. I'm not sure how yet, but definitely want to get your input on what you find convenient or software you're already using in terms of set lists. Thanks.